Hi, my name is Steve York. I'm the Market Manager for Hager for residential products, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Design 10 range of consumer unit. As you know, that with Amendment 3 to the wiring regulations, consumer units for household purposes now need to be made from a non-combustible material. So, I'll introduce you to our Design 10 range of consumer unit. As you can see, this is a all-metal board which complies with any non-combustibility requirements from the regulations. So, the first issue we have with any board when we're fitting it is how do we bring the cables in and out. So, on the back of this board we have 3 generous cable entry positions for when the cables are coming in from the rear of the board. So by removing this knockout, applying some grommet strip, we then have a safe entry for the cables into the board. If we look at the top of the board, we have a series of knockouts. Now these knockouts have been done to suit standard sizes of trunking. We have a knockout to suit a 40mm by 25mm, a 50mm by 50mm, and a 50mm by 100mm. The orientation of the knockouts on the top allow the 100mm by 50mm trunking to cover any 2 adjacent knockouts. This means that if your cables come down the wall and they're not central, you can still align them perfectly to the knockouts and achieve your IP4X on your top edge. You will notice as well that the door is made from a non-combustible material. This again is to ensure that the enclosure remains non-combustible in the event of a fire. The door has been designed so that it will always fall shut. This means that somebody cannot go away from a board, accidentally leaving the door open and increasing any risk. If we then remove the front cover, we can see that the screws are retained. This prevents them from being lost during the installation of the product. When we look back inside the board, it is very similar to our existing plastic offer. You have the same terminal bars and the same markings on the rails. We have a rigid DIN rail allowing easy installation of the devices. The buzz bar, where required, is snappable, and that's basically the Design 10 board. Thank you for your time.